In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Zoho account permanently. This detailed guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a smooth and effortless process. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho website. You can do this by typing in zoho.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the home page of Zoho's Cloud Software Suite, an excellent toolkit for businesses. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that next. So find the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. After clicking Sign In, you'll be directed to the Zoho Sign In page. Here, enter your credentials to access your account. If your account is linked to a Google account, you might see an option to sign in that way. Choose whichever method suits you best. Once you've signed in, look for your account profile, which depending on your settings might already be on this page or accessible from a drop-down menu at the top. Click on your profile or any highlighted link that prompts you towards it. Now that you're on your Zoho homepage, click on the option labeled My Account. This link is often highlighted or easily visible to help users navigate their personal settings and preferences. Once you're on your account page, look for Settings. This step gets us closer to our goal. Remember, the Settings option is usually easy to spot, featuring a recognizable gear icon. Within the Settings section, keep your eyes open for Close Account. You'll likely find this option under a menu titled Preferences. The Close Account button is your gateway to the account deletion process. Click on it and you'll be directed to a page that prompts you to confirm your decision. Here, click Close Account one more time. Before proceeding, Zoho will ask you to verify your decision to ensure that accidental deletions are avoided. This step is crucial and provides a chance to reconsider the account closure. If you're certain about deleting your account, proceed by clicking Proceed. For an added layer of security, Zoho will ask you to verify your identity. This verification might involve entering your password again or responding to a security question. And there you have it. You've now successfully navigated through the process of permanently deleting your Zoho account. Remember, once an account is deleted, all your data and information associated with it is permanently removed. So be absolutely sure this is the right decision for you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in guiding you through each step of the process. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below.